Hi, this is Keel's Garage. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of automotive excellence to explore the ultimate upgrade for your Toyota Corolla, the best struts. Stay tuned as we unveil top picks and expert insights to enhance your Corolla's performance and ride comfort. Let's rev up the excitement. Number 1. Detroit Axle has truly outdone themselves with their exceptional struts, specifically tailored for Toyota Corolla owners. These struts are nothing short of a game changer. The moment you hit the road, you'll feel an incredible difference in your Corolla's handling and stability. Detroit Axle's attention to detail is evident in the seamless installation process, making it a breeze for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. The ride quality is simply unmatched. Say goodbye to those bumpy rides. Plus, the durability ensures that your Corolla glides effortlessly for miles to come. If you want your Corolla to ride like it's on clouds, Detroit Axle struts are an absolute must-have. Your car deserves the best, and Detroit Axle delivers perfection. Number 2. Autosaver 88's game-changing struts tailored exclusively for Toyota Corolla enthusiasts. Brace yourselves for a smoother, more thrilling ride. These struts are not just a replacement, they're a performance upgrade, a promise of superior handling, and unmatched durability. Crafted with precision, they effortlessly conquer rough terrains, turning every drive into an adventure. The installation? Effortless. The impact? Profound. Your Corolla will thank you, zooming through corners with newfound confidence. Autosaver 88 struts redefine driving dynamics, ensuring every journey is a joyride. Upgrade your ride today and experience the road like never before. Drive, don't just travel. Elevate your Toyota Corolla experience now. Number 3. OREDY struts. Unleash your Corolla's potential. Rev up your Toyota Corolla with OREDY struts, the ultimate performance upgrade you didn't know you needed. Engineered specifically for the Corolla, these struts redefine your driving experience. Say goodbye to bumps and embrace smooth, precise handling on every turn. OREDY's cutting-edge technology ensures superior stability and unmatched comfort, making it a must-have for car enthusiasts. Easy to install and built to last, these struts elevate your ride to a whole new level. Don't just drive, command the road with confidence. Upgrade to OREDY struts today and feel the difference. Number 4. SHOXTEC struts, where innovation meets performance. If you're a Toyota Corolla enthusiast, buckle up for an exhilarating ride like never before. These struts aren't just ordinary, they redefine smooth handling and unparalleled stability on the road. Crafted with precision and designed for perfection, SHOXTEC struts elevate your driving experience to extraordinary heights. Say goodbye to bumpy rides and hello to seamless, gliding journeys. Installing these struts isn't just an upgrade, it's a statement. Your Corolla will thank you, and you'll wonder why you didn't make the switch sooner. Don't settle for average, embrace the extraordinary with SHOXTEC struts. Your car deserves it, and you deserve the best. Elevate your ride today. Number 5. CCIYU struts. Prepare to be amazed as your ride transforms into a smooth, agile beast on the road. These struts aren't just an upgrade, they're a revolution. Crafted with precision and designed for perfection, CCIYU struts redefine your driving experience. Say goodbye to bumpy rides and hello to unmatched stability and control. The seamless installation process ensures you're back on the road in no time, enjoying the newfound confidence in your Corolla's handling. Trust me, this isn't just a purchase, it's an investment in your vehicle's performance. Elevate your driving experience with CCIYU struts, where innovation meets the highway. In conclusion, finding the best struts for your Toyota Corolla is crucial for a smooth and safe ride. We've explored top options that offer exceptional performance and durability. Remember, choosing the right struts can significantly enhance your driving experience. Thanks for watching, and we hope this guide helps you make an informed decision for your Corolla's suspension needs. Safe travels!